Hello YouTube, this is part 3. Hopefully my sound will work this time. At any rate, we got the rack done. This is the rack for the mobile on the trailer GMRS Two-way radio repeater build. This is done. Everything's all wired up. I also wired up a power supply so that if I want to use power, I can plug it in. That's what the cord down here is for. Or we can run it on battery. Everything's all fused. Everything's mounted. I even mounted the amplifier up here because if I want to hook it up to the two-way radio, the handheld that hooks to the laptop, I can do that and run a repeater that way. I left space down here, so if I need to move that amplifier, I can move it down here. I do have a duplexer on order. We're going to be modifying that repeater. And I got the inverter here to run the laptop, even though the laptop does have a new battery. I'm not taking chances. We got an inverter that converts DC to AC so we can plug in the laptop. I got, like I said, I got the extension cord all wired up so I can plug it in electricity or run battery. What else? I got it so that this is when I slide on the metal box over here, it'll sit on this lip, which will be padlocked on both sides. There's over here too. This will be mounted to the trailer. So I have to, that's the only thing I got to do yet. I got to build a mast holder for the trailer so we can put the antenna mast on it. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to mount as much as possible so that all I got to do is when I go to the location is I put the laptop on, I go ahead and put the radio in there, and then away we go. Well, I'll have to set up the antenna quick. So I'm hoping I can do this under 45 minutes. Unhook the trailer, set the antenna up, put the laptop in there, turn everything all on, and away I drive off to do test. Once I get this trailer built, we're going to do some testing here first. Obviously, I don't want to haul it up to the bluff and then find out there's a problem. But we'll test it here with it all in the trailer like it will be up there. We'll do some tests here. I know I get people, saying, oh, you can just use a box and not have to use a laptop and, and all that. Well, yeah, I know, but I like the laptop because one, I already have it. It's free software. Then if I need to reprogram the GPS, the laptop's already here. And two, down the road, if I want to hook the repeater to internet, we have a laptop to do that with. Let's see, what else? I think that's really about it. I did shorten this. If you remember in the other video, this was more space here. I cut off about 7 inches because it was kind of a chore to slide this big metal box over that. So I cut that down. So I did that. Let's see. I think that's really about it. We can, like I said, everything's all mounted. All the wires are nice and neat. I have plugs. I mounted this is also fused. I can plug in the repeater or the amplifier. That's why there's 2 plugs there. Same with up here. There's plugs here. I can plug in the amplifier. This converts AC to DC for the amplifier. The repeater does have its own power supply. That will be plugged into this cord out here if I need to, if I want to run power. Everything is fused as you can tell. This is all mounted up here. So I think this is pretty much done. I don't think there's nothing else I can really do. I think I got everything all done on this. So I did, try the metal box. It fits fine, obviously. That's all done. I might clean up this rust a little bit. Maybe in the summertime I'll paint the rack, but for now I'm not going to worry about it. I will be probably getting a solar panel, and we'll hook a solar panel to this. We'll do some playing around with that. That's why there's holes drilled so the cords can come up underneath, whether it's the coax cable or cords for the solar panel. That's why I drilled all the holes. Every deck's got holes. So I can change the configuration really easily if I need to. Yeah, that's really about it. Like I say, I think this has turned out pretty good. The antenna mast holder, I got to build it on the trailer. And I got a few ideas on that. I might use some wood, might use some metal. We'll kind of see. The metal here, some of the metal I used here is actually bed frame, which is real hard to drill through. So I had to use the plasma cutter to make holes. This ain't though. This ain't bed frame. This is just some angle iron I had with holes in it. And these shelves are adjustable, or at least this shelf is, and that one too, for that matter. You can adjust them. I did underneath. I don't know if you can see that. I did put steel rods, welded them in there so no one can access the bottom. No one can come through the bottom of it. Like I said, this will be bolted down onto the trailer. There's holes in here on these legs. I'll bolt it down. Then I'll also put a chain with the paddle lock so none of that gets stolen. I'll put a trailer lock on my trailer too, obviously. But that's the plan. So this rack is done. We'll do a video of the antenna mast holder in the trailer once I get that done. So maybe sometime this week, depending on the weather. But at any rate, thank you. Please subscribe and have a good day.